Ever wondered if your dog really loves you? Here are 5 signs to look for. Number 1, tail wagging when they see you. It's pure happiness. Number 2, they follow you everywhere, even to the bathroom. That's loyalty. Sign 3, they bring you their favorite toy. That's their way of saying, I trust you. Sign 4, eye contact. If your dog looks into your eyes with a calm face, that's deep love. And number 5, they sleep next to you. Dogs only sleep where they feel safe. Does your dog do these things? Comment below and follow for more pet tips.